welcome to Mole Minute. Today we're talking about spring cleaning your website and some top tips on how you can make sure that it's in tip-top condition. So I'm here with Tim, who's going to talk us through some of his top tips.
Well, the first thing that I'd look at is the SEO, the search engine optimization. And that's a series of coding really that sits behind the site and makes sure that everything works properly and search engines like Google pick it up. So we're looking here at the title and description tags and some of the coding tags like the H1 and H2, the heading tags, are really important things. And that's crucial because you may have changed the content and the description no longer actually looks like what's on the page. The next thing to look at is broken links and broken pages. You may have changed the pages on your site and other people may have changed their pages. So it's always worth going through, clicking on those links and making sure that those links still work. So the next thing to do is to look at your stats program. We use Google Analytics, and what that does is it gives us a list of all the pages that are being visited, and you can go and see which pages are doing well, which pages aren't doing so well, and that gives you a good idea of where you might want to make some changes to your site. Then you can go through and look at your news, and if you have a blog, look at your blog. There's nothing worse than someone going to your website and seeing news that's a year out of date or worse, and we all see that from time to time. So go through, delete the old news if it's no longer relevant, add some new news, or actually, if it's really that bad, just hide the news section altogether and get rid of it. If it's not working, there's no point in carrying on with it. And the same with blogs, if you've got a blog.
Yep. And is there anything externally that you need to be looking at beyond your own website?
Absolutely. So if you've had a website for 6, 12 months or maybe a lot longer than that, there are other websites out there which may list your details, like your phone number and your address and your email address, but they might also have a link to certain pages on your site. And if that information is out of date, that could be really detrimental to you. If the information on those sites is wrong, get in touch with them, ask them to change it and get that information updated.
Sure. And so there are really easy things that you can do that really will make a difference for your website.
Absolutely.
Amazing. So if you've enjoyed today's spring clean session, then please follow us, like us, subscribe to us for more useful tips and videos from the team at Mole. Thank you.